Today I'm sharing the best crossbody bags for travel because you are going to be able to fit so much inside each bag. The capacity that these bags hold will be tested so you can kind of gauge the size reference of each bag. I'm going to start with Crossbody Bag Purses. I have this one in my everyday use in my closet. I wear it usually in the fall because of the brown leather. The main feature in a crossbody bag for travel should be that the zippers go around the edges of your purse or your bag. The zipper feature allows your bag to open up really wide. For size reference, we're going to fit a 20-ounce aluminum tumbler in these bags. That fits down in there and I still can open it up wide. And I now know that I really do need an outer pocket for my phone with easy access. This crossbody bag purse comes with a thin strap, but I like to change it up for the season or the outfits that I'm going to be wearing while I'm traveling. I also like the gold hardware in bags. That's more of my color. You may like silver, but these are very good, sturdy hardware on the straps. And this is an example of a seasonal strap that I would wear. I suggest if you're getting any of these straps that I have mentioned, that you wear it as a crossbody bag. This was my first crossbody bag purse that I bought as a YouTuber 6 years ago. It has the zipper and the pocket on the inside and the outer pocket. The zippers go around the edges. You can fit 2 glasses cases for a sunglasses case or your reading glasses case inside these 2 purses. This one looks totally different than it does online, but I finally tried it and it is lighter. I will wear this crossbody bag a lot for my everyday purse, as well as with travel. For anti-theft crossbody bags, I really appreciate small bags that can hold a lot. Notice that the zippers do go over the edges like this. I do like an inside fabric that is lighter than black or a really dark color for easy access. I will pack my thin RFID wallet because I only need a few cards in my crossbody bag purses. If I'm packing one of these anti-theft bags, I'm going to use the slots that are inside the bag. That does save you a lot of space when you're looking at a crossbody bag. Now, some of you don't like an anti-theft bag that is this small. I also tried 2 other ones. You'll see here that the taupe one is a different style than the navy blue one, and they both also have the very light interior. I love the capacity of what you could fit inside these crossbody bags. If that's more of your style when you're traveling, I highly recommend those, and you'll notice that they do have the silver hardware on them. When I travel, I want a crossbody bag that can also be worn into a restaurant. Notice the fabric on here. It is a shiny gold material. It's not like the usual RFID, almost canvas type fabric, which makes it a little more casual in my opinion. But a dark bag can go into a restaurant easy peasy. These straps are also slash resistant. Here's another bag, but I am returning it. I just thought it was gorgeous, so I bought it. It's got really good anti or slash resistant straps. And then look how it opens. It's a magnetic opening, but then you have the zipper that is also the anti-lock or the anti-theft locking system on the zippers. These zippers, however, do not go over the edge, so the capacity inside is not very big at all. It has that outer pocket on the back, so it would be against your body. If you're traveling to a different country or even here in America, wearing a crossbody bag that is thin and not super bulky is super easy in the winter time because you can wear it underneath your coat or underneath a cardigan even to hide it a little bit more. Oh, shoot. I just busted it. I hope they return it or let me return it. All right, and this one can also be a belt bag if your belt is no more than 3/4 of an inch wide. This is a very old backpack, but it is RFID as well, and the entrance to the backpack is on the back of the bag. So it would be against your back. preventing, hopefully, any kind of slashing. To me, it is awkward getting in this backpack, but a lot of my audience has loved this bag over the years. You can fit a lot in. This is the large size. For a crossbody bag, I would prefer the small version. Here's another bag that I would use for Black Friday shopping, I think. It is very small, but look how wide it opens because those zippers go so far over the edges. It's just an idea for you. You can wear it as a purse, but the bag would fit around your chest. So it's more like a chest bag that are super trendy now. This fabric is a buttery vegan leather, I think. It's very soft to the touch. This strap is very high quality. It's very smooth. So for those of you who don't like to wear your seatbelt around your neck or a crossbody bag, you're thinking it's gonna annoy your neck, this is an option for you. Look at that. Oh my word. That's amazing. This belt bag would go against your chest as well. It's a stiff fabric, if that makes sense. And it beautifully lays and perfectly stays around your chest as a belt bag. It can also be worn as a waist belt or a fanny pack. Let me know if you ever wore a fanny pack. I said I would never wear them again. I think I wore them once in the 70s or 80s. And now I have this one and this one. But this one is a little stiff. It does have that pocket. It's silver hardware, very well made, okay? And I do like that it stays on your chest. If you've bought a few like I have, I've tried like 4 or 5 different ones, and this one stays in its place. However, it seems like it doesn't open very wide, but that's about how much would fit in there. But if you're only needing a few essentials while you're touring, that might be an idea for you. There is just one zippered pocket, so you would need your wallet for your cards. And this is my absolute favorite purchase for a fanny pack waist belt for travel. I will wear it against my chest when I go to Wisconsin again in lower humidity. It can fit so much in this bag. However, the inside fabric is black, which makes it hard to find things sometimes. Look at that. I mean, look how much deeper. Oh, where is a fan? Okay, I could fit a fan, my little office fan, in this side. I mean, the capacity is huge, which means if you are wearing it on your chest and you do feel it full, it is going to be bulky if you're wearing it around your chest. I am going to try it, but I have a feeling I'm gonna wrap it around my waist. This fabric as well is very shiny and smooth. See these features? These help it lay against your chest correctly, if that makes sense. It's very feminine, it's very elevated and beautiful looking. I love the gold hardware on here. They're not just a flat zipper, they're beautiful zippers, and they're very easy to use. This belt bag has 11 pockets for travel, including 2 different pockets having the slots for you to put your cards in. One very important travel tip for crossbody bags is to remember that you may have rental car keys or the keys to your Airbnb, for example, like I'm going to have because I'm going to be the driver of our trip to Wisconsin. Again, I am a Houston pilot wife and I share tips to help you travel the globe without a worry in the world. I have a great video for you about some anti-theft travel tips of how to protect yourself or prevent theft when you are traveling. So I will link that video up here and in the description box. I have gone through my fair share of crossbody bags, so I hope this video is going to help you. I will link some other ones in the description box below down there. You get there by clicking show more or the upside down carrot.